Samahan si Chris Lorenzana, trainer at Chief Inspiration Officer ng Training Edge Incorporated sa isang oras na seminar sa radyo na magbibigay inspirasyon upang lalo pang mapaganda, mapasaya at mapaunlad ang ating buhay. Winner ka, Pinoy!
Don't quit before your miracle.
Makinig, makilahok at sumama sa talastasan dahil ang programang ito ay para sa iyo.
So if you're lost and on your own, you can never surrender. Hindi ka naman talaga nag-iisa.
Winner ka, Pinoy!
If your path won't lead you home, you can never surrender.
Winner ka, Pinoy! Kada araw ng linggo, alas 11 ng umaga hanggang alas 12 ng tanghali. Dito lamang sa DZXL 558.
Happy Winner Ka Pinoy Sunday, everyone! Welcome to Winner Ka Pinoy! May 12, 2024, dear friends! Napaka-espesyal ng araw na ito dahil today is Mother's Day. Kaya ngayon, bibigyan natin ng tribute ang ating mga nanay. Ayan. So with me today in our station is Mr. Erwin Makatangay, Miss Mikay Valyao, and Miss Maika Barcelona. Samahan niyo po ako mga kaibigan ng isang buong oras. Send me your messages, your tribute to your mother. Ha, padala nyo ako ng inyong mensahe para sa inyong mga nanay sa ating Winner Ka Pinoy number 0976-014-5041. Pwede rin po sa aking personal number 0920-922-9462. Pwede rin sa aking messenger or sa ating Facebook live stream. Ulitin ko po yung ating Winner Ka Pinoy number ha. Text lang po, don't call me. 0976-014-5041. Today is Mother's Day special for 2024. So meron po akong katanungan para sa inyong lahat at pipili tayo ng 5 na pinakamaganda na talagang na talagang pinakamagandang tribute. Sinishare ko po sa aking Facebook live stream yung tag dito, yung ating episode today. Ayan, para po marami ang makapag-share ng kanilang tribute sa kanilang mga ina, mga nanay, mga mamang. Ayan. Yan, send me your tribute to your mother. So, yun mga kaibigan yung ating pag-uusapan ngayon. It's a very beautiful day, Sunday, May 12. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng tribute? At ano nga ba yung pipiliin nating 5? So, ang pipiliin nating 5 ngayon na messages, pwedeng sa text. Siguro, i-divide ko pwedeng 2 sa text, 3 sa messenger, depende, no? Or 3 sa ating Facebook live stream. So, ito lamang para mabigyan mo ng tamang tribute ang iyong nanay. At huwag niyo pong kopyahin sa Google yung inyong message po. Kailangan galing talaga sa inyong puso. Bakit superhero mo ang nanay mo? Ayan, because our moms, our mothers are really our superheroes. Diba? Wala man silang kapa, pero talaga naman, bakit superhero natin ang ating mga ina? And dinidedicate ko ang buong episode na to sa aming mamang, Mrs. Aida Lorenzana, na kung wala ka mang, wala rin kami, diba? So all of us, your children, talagang hindi namin alam kung papaano ka namin papasalamatan sa lahat ng pagmamahal na binigay mo sa amin. Palangga kagidnamon katama. Ayan. So, happy Mother's Day, mamang. And we love you so much, more than words. And this whole episode is for you. And binabati ko po kayong lahat, lalo na yung mga nag-message sa akin kanina ng Happy Mother's Day. Ayan, hopefully later on, maiisa-isa ko kayong masagot at mabati din. So ano nga ba talaga ang tinatawag nating tribute? Tribute. Ayan. A tribute is an act. So pwedeng may ginawa ka, an act, a statement, may sinabi ka, or gift, regalo, yung regalo mo is your tribute. Kaya ngayong araw na to, I would like to thank my son. Thank you, Neil, for the beautiful flowers. My favorite sunflowers. Thank you so much for making Mama's Day. You didn't have to send me flowers. I knew that kahit nasan ka man, I knew that I would always be in your heart. So, that just like you are in mine. Pero thank you, anak, for the flowers. Thank you. And I look forward to our conversation later. And I love you to the moon and back, to infinity and beyond. So thank you, Neil. Thank you for the privilege of being your mother. Thank you so much. So a tribute is an act, a statement, or gift that is intended to show gratitude, respect, or admiration. So pag nagbigay tayo ng tribute na tinatawag, 'di ba? Kaya may mga tribute tayo sa ating mga heroes, ganyan. So ibig sabihin, gusto nating magpasalamat or gusto nating ipakita yung ating paghanga or yung ating paggalang. Ayan, so it's an act, statement, or gift. Ayan, so ito po ang regalo ng DCXL 558 sa ating mga nanay. It's a statement, a gift, an act. Ayan po. So this is our mothers. Ayan, all of us mothers. Ayan. So, yun mga kaibigan, yun ang ating pagtutuunan ng pansin ngayong buong oras na to. Tribute to a mother. Tribute to a mother. So, padalhan niyo po ako ng inyong mga mensahe ha. Minsan lang sa isang taon tayong magdededicate ng isang buong oras para sa ating mga nanay. So, what's your tribute to your mother? Kung wala ka mang masasabing masyadong salita, anong ginawa mo as tribute to your mother? Pwedeng ipinagluto mo siya ngayon kaya? Hindi kaya binigyan mo siya ng regalo na nakapagpangiti sa kanya talaga? So, yung mga nanay natin talaga, sila ang unang-unang, parang sila yung unang-unang nakita ng mata natin, diba? So, ang first love talaga ng anak usually ay ang nanay niya. And I read somewhere that there are not enough words to describe how important a mother is. Wala talaga, no? Wala talaga. Books were written about mothers. There are a lot of quotes about mothers. Pero wala po talagang sapat na pangungusap para mailagay natin sa pananalita yung ating paghanga at yung kahalagahan ng isang ina. But we will strive to do our best today for the whole hour. Para lang po bigyan natin ng pasasalamat, paghanga, pagmamahal, ayan, ang ating mga ina. Ayan, because today is Mother's Day. Alright, so send me your messages po, please send me your messages, your tribute to your mother, at kung sobrang ganda talaga ng tribute mo sa iyong mama, you will win 100 pesos GCash from Winner Cup Pinoy. Ayan, tuloy pa rin ito sa mga papremyo na binigay sa atin ni Dr. Etchel Villanueva. Happy Mother's Day, Mama Love, and Tita Dani Villanueva. They are always so supportive of Winner Cup Pinoy. So, ayan, itutuloy to ng kanilang mga papremyo na binigay sa atin. There we go. So, we're going to choose 5 winners of the best tribute ever. Yung hindi kinopya na tribute. Yung alam kong galing sa puso na tribute talaga sa iyong ina. Ayan. So, pwedeng GCash na 100 or pwede ring load. Pwede ring load na 100 pesos. How's that now? Okay. I'd like to begin our tribute with these beautiful words by Maurice Maeterlinck. Sabi niya, all mothers are rich when they love their children. There are no poor mothers, no ugly ones, no old ones. Their love is always the most beautiful of joys. Gusto ko po talagang doon magsimula. Kasi, totoo naman, all mothers are rich when they love their children. Totoo po yan talaga. I think, lahat tayo na nanay na or ina na, alam natin yung ganong pakiramdam, diba? Mayaman talaga. Sobra ang isang ina kapag minamahal niya ang anak niya. Ang mga anak niya. Siyempre, meron din po ako mga messages dati sa mga ibang listeners natin na sinasabi na hindi naman ako mahal ng nanay ko or something like that. Kaya nga, ito, all mothers are rich when they love their children. Yung pagmamahal mo pa lang, yaman na. Yaman na. yaman mo, yaman ng mga anak mo. Parang ako lang, si mamang talaga, kasi naunang namatay ang papang ko. You know that for all of you who have been listening to Winner Ka Pinoy through the years, na 45 pa lang si papang when he passed away. Actually, he was not even 45 yet. Magpo-45 siya ng December, he died in October. Tapos naiwan kaming tatlo sa kay mamang. So imagine that, no? Imagine that. Pero pagtapos niya kami lahat, imagine that, no? Yung parang grabe yung yung pagmamahal lang talaga ng sobra ang pwedeng makagawa ng ganon. So all mothers are rich. So mamang, you're so rich. Hindi ka man mayaman sa pera or material na bagay, but you're so rich because you have so much love. At kami ngayon, mga anak mo, mga apo mo, we love you back so much as well. So there are no poor mothers, no ugly mothers, no old mothers. Kahit na pa puro wrinkles na ang mga nanay natin, they're still beautiful in our eyes. Hindi po ba, mga kaibigan? And their love is always the most beautiful of joys. So, beautiful talaga. Yeah. So, why is your mother your superhero? Come on, dear friends. Give tribute to your mothers. Happy Mother's Day to my ninang, Dr. Lilian Gandeza. Hi, Mom. Happy Mother's Day. Maraming pagkakataon sa buhay ko that, I needed you and you were there and you were always like a guiding light to me. Naging professor ko si Ma'am Lils, tapos naging ninang ko rin siya, and now it's like a family friend. Naging malaking parte talaga ng buhay ko, ikaw, Ma'am. So thank you so very much. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. So there are not enough words for me to really appreciate you for all the things that you have done for me. So hi, Kuya Ams. I'll visit you soon in Baguio. There. The role of a mother is probably the most important career a woman can have. Sabi yan ni Janet Mary Riley. She's a lawyer and writer. Alam niyo, totoo po yan. Kaya huwag nating maliitin yung, full-time mom. Actually, ako po yun yung pangarap ko dati, na maging full-time mother. Kaso hindi nga lang po talaga kakayanin kasi kailangan bumili ng gatas, kailangan ng diaper, kailangan makapag-aral ang anak. So, kailangan ko maging working mother. Pero ganun po talaga, right? Pero pag pinagsabay mo, all the more na ibibigay mo lahat-lahat ng makakaya mo. So, all of you mothers, working mothers, sana wag ninyong kakalimutan that even your motherhood is part of your career. So, parang dalawang path yung tinatahak mo. And so, the role of a mother is the most, actually for me, the most important career a woman can have. Hello, Miss Majin Gray. Happy Mother's Day to you. At kay Mamang at kay Cha. Oh, thank you so very much, my friend. Hello, Miss Let Daitol. Hello. Tagal-tagal na natin hindi nagkikita. Happy Mother's Day. And there is one message here from Jerry Angustia. I think it's your first time to send a message, no? Sabi niya, superhero ko ang nanay ko dahil siya ang unang guru ko. Siya ang nagbigay ng buhay sa akin at siya ang unang liwanag ng buhay ko. Mula ng isilang, tumanda hanggang sa aking huling hininga. Happy Mother's Day po, nanay. Hey, thank you so much, Mr. Jerry Angustia. Sayang hindi mo pinangalanan ng mama mo, pero Happy Mother's Day po sa nanay ni Mr. Jerry Angustia. Send me your GCash number later, ha? You are our first winner for this tribute to our moms. Ayan, so you win for yourself, 100 pesos GCash or load. Hello, Miss Judy Hernandez, my dear. Alam mo, last week po, napakaganda ng message sa atin ni Judy. Lagi po siyang nakikinig sa Winner Ka Pinoy, always very supportive of Winner Ka Pinoy. At lahat po kayo na nag-celebrate kasama ako last Sunday ng ating 11th anniversary. Thank you so very much po. Yung mga ibang messages na hindi ko nabasa last Sunday, pakipadala nyo naman, please. Babasahin ko ngayon. Ayan, and like I promised to Judy, Judes, thank you, my dear. Happy Mother's Day to your mom. She gave birth to such a wonderful lady. I'm sure alam ng mama mo yan, but I just want to re-emphasize the fact na, you're such a beautiful human being. Gusto kong basahin on air yung message mo, ha, Judes? Sabi ni Judy, pinadala niya to last Sunday. Happy, 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 happy anniversary sa Winner Ka Pinoy. Wow! Super amazing po at umabot ang program mo ng 11 years sa pagbibigay ng inspirasyon to everyone. I couldn't summon all the words that would tell lessons I got from your program. Ang alam ko lang po, whenever free radicals crowding over my neurons, Winner Ka Pinoy gave me an extra protons. Ayan, the encouragement and inspiration that I need to go on. Ang galing-galing talaga ni Judy. May mga protons pa siyang alam. Basta alam ko lang mukhang positive yung protons, no? Naging foundation and role model of inspiration na po ang Winner Ka Pinoy. Batid ko po na hindi madali ang mga unang taon ng Winner Ka Pinoy. It's not all about rainbows and butterflies. There were challenges and obstacles, but it neither held you back nor sucked out your burning passion to continue and achieve your goal. Having the dedication and determination and a loving heart help you get through. You have a big heart, thank you, Judes, and a beautiful soul, thank you, Judes, that you are willing to take the risk to the point that you were able to sacrifice your own welfare, time, effort, energy, money, to name some. Thank you for being bold enough to go over and beyond. You strive and reject the thought of abandoning Winner Ka Pinoy. Fueled with a passion to serve and inspire, umabot na nga po ang program mo ng 11 years. Your dream fulfilled suggests a new beginning that from that moment, May 5, 2013 forward, one have received the privilege of enjoying what you have been working hard for, what you have worked hard for. More years po sa Winner Ka Pinoy. Continue to plant seeds of hope, joy, inspiration, and motivation across the nations. Happy anniversary. Judes, super loved, saved, ngayon cemented because it's now recorded on air, this beautiful message of yours. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so very, very much. Hindi mo lang alam ko paano mo pinasaya ako sa message mo. Ayan. So thank you, and happy Mother's Day to your beautiful mother who, nurtured a beautiful woman like you, Judy. So there, dear friends, padalhan nyo pa rin po ako. Meron pa tayong 4 na magiging winners ng ating 100 pesos GCash for Why is your mother your superhero? Bakit yung mama mo ang superhero mo? Ang dami kong inihanda, but let me get through all of them. Hopefully, kasi ang bilis talaga ng oras. Sabi nga, 'di ba, na parang ang dilim siguro ng buhay kapag wala tayong nanay, no? Kaya para sa aking mga tagapakinig na wala na ang inyong mama, please don't let that thought stop you from giving tribute to your mom. Kaya nga may mga iba sa inyo na you are sending messages to your mom in heaven. Diba? At para sa akin, hindi po talaga namamatay ang pagmamahal. Tsaka kahit physically, wala na ang mama mo dyan or yung tumatayong nanay mo, kasi yung tumayong nanay mo is auntie mo or lola mo, hindi nawawala yung pagmamahal nila talaga. At yun din nasabi ko sa anak ko, na someday, even if I'm no longer here physically, I would still be there because my love will never die. It will never end. So yun, mga kaibigan, sige na, send me your tribute to your mother. Kahit na pa words can't express how deeply you love your mother or gaano kalalim yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya, subok lang. Ayan, so, this is so nice. To the world, you are a mother, but to your family, you are the world. Beautiful, no? Beautiful. Kaya, celebrate natin yung ating mga superheroes, yung mga simpleng-simpleng mga nanay natin na nasa background lang lagi. Parang si mamang ko, nasa background lang lagi. Ayaw niya nga, kaya sabi niya dati, huwag mo akong binabanggit lagi sa Winner Ka Pinoy. Hindi ko naman siya din laging binabanggit. Mother's Day lang naman ako talaga nagde-dedicate sa kanya ng episode talaga. There's this beautiful song na, what's this now? That really reflects minsan kung paano yung mga nanay natin talaga. And I'd like to sing a portion of it. Hindi lang para sa mamang ko, pero kundi para sa lahat ng mga nanay na nasa background lang. Nasa background lang, di ba? Andun ka lang lagi sa likod, andun ka lang lagi, di ba? Pag kailangan ka ng anak mo, nandun ka lang lagi. So, this one's for you, mothers out there. This song is the song Wind Beneath My Wings by Bette Midler. Hindi ko alam kung makakanta ko to ng buo, pero I'll try lang po. Kasi nga, tribute eh. Ang sabi natin kanina, a tribute can be an act. So, pwede rin siyang song, a statement, or a gift. Ayan. So, para ito sa mga nanay na laging nasa likuran ng kanilang mga anak. Pushing them, nudging them, believing in them, caring for them. Yun naman talaga ang role nating mga nanay, di ba? Ang mahalin lang natin yung ating mga anak through it all. Magkamali man yung mga anak natin, we'll still be there. Husgahan man ng buong mundo yung anak natin ng sama-sama mo. Pero ang nanay, ay naku, hindi, andon pa rin, diba? So, this is for you, beautiful mother, who's always the wind beneath the wings of your child, of your son, your daughter. Sana makanta ko to na maayos. Anyway. It must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine. That's your way. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle, for you are the wind beneath my wings. It might have appeared to go unnoticed, but I've got it all here in my heart. I want you to know I know the truth. Of course I know it. I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. I could fly higher than an eagle, for you are the wind beneath my wings. I hope you liked it, dear mother. You are really the wind beneath your child's wings. We would be nothing without you. Yun yung mensahe naming mga anak para sa inyo na mga ina, mga nanay. At yun din ang mensahe siguro ng anak ko sa akin. So, celebrate you today. Celebrate the hero in you, the heroine in you. Ayan, ha, mga kaibigan? So, send me your messages. Honor your mother. Pay a tribute to your mother. To the world, you are just a mother. But to your family, you are the world. So, celebrating you, dear mother. Lahat ng sakripisyo mo, lahat ng pagmamahal mo, mula nung ipinagbubuntis mo pa lang yung anak mo. Hindi madali, Hindi talaga madali. But really, that's what a mother's love is all about. Minsan, kahit na, yung bang, siguro, parang ganito, kahit mahirap, itutuloy mo talaga, 'di ba? Hahanapin mo yung lakas mo kung nasan man, yung hininga mo, alam mo 'yon, babalutin mo ng pagmamahal mo kasi ganoon talaga ang pagiging ina. At a mother, sabi ni Cardinal Mermelod, a mother is she who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. Totoo po yan, diba? A mother is a person who can take the place of all others. Pwede natin siyang maging kaibigan, counselor, diba? Pwede natin siyang pulis. Ayan. Alright, so really, a mother can take the place of all the others, pero nobody can take the place of our mother. Ayan. And so, wait lang. Ayan. So I'll start reading your messages in a bit. You know. So, yan. Happy Mother's Day sa kay Miss Jo Olorosissimo. Hello, my dear. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day to Miss Evelyn Alvarez. And dying na message. To Mama Zen Manliklik. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day. Miss Beng Dolores. Happy Mother's Day. And there's a message from Mr. Rolando De Leon. Happy Sunday morning, Ma'am Chris. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day din po sa inyong misis at sa inyong nanay, Mr. Rolando De Leon. There we go. Happy Mother's Day to my friend, Jenny, Ina. Mr. Chris Cortez, thank you so much for listening. Happy Mother's Day to your wife and to your mother as well. Ayan. And to you also, Miss Lucy Manalo. Ay, daming messages. Nakakatuwa. Mukhang hindi ko ito mauubos lahat. But really. Ayan. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Although, alam niyo po ako pagdating sa ganitong pagkakataon, lagi akong magsasabi na, syempre yes, Mother's Day today. Second Sunday of May, pero pwedeng araw-araw ang Mother's Day. Pwedeng araw-araw iparamdam natin ang ating pasasalamat sa ating nanay, iparamdam natin yung ating pagmamahal, di ba? Iparamdam natin yung ating paggalang sa kanila. Pwede naman yun araw-araw. I don't know who wrote this, pero sabi niya, a mother is the person who sees your first smile, hears your first word, feels your first hug, and worries about you every day of her life. Yes. 23 years old na si Janelle, but I still worry about him every day. Pag hindi pa lang siya nagme-message sa akin ng mga alas 12 ng tanghali, may message ko na siya, sign of life, baby love, ganon. 23 years old na siya, baby love pa rin ang tawag ko sa kanya. Sol, anak, Sol. Sol means sign of life. Ganon talaga ang pagiging nanay, no? You know, sabi ni Mahatma Gandhi, it may be possible to gild pure gold, but who can make his mother more beautiful? Diba? Pwede mo pang mas maging pagandahin ang ginto. Pwede pa. Pero sino ang pwede pang gawing mas maganda ang nanay niya? Wala na. Because your mother is already beautiful as she is. Charlie Beneto says, when you're looking at your mother, you are looking at the purest love you will ever know. Kaya kahit tumanda na yung nanay natin, kahit maging makulit na siya, kahit paulit-ulit na siya, kahit na ang daing niya pare-pareho lang, arayuma ko, aray-aray, let's just love them through it. Kasi naging makulit din naman tayo nung bata tayo. Susan Gale says, mothers are like glue. Even when you cannot see them, they are still holding the family together. That's true. So, mothers out there, celebrate you. We celebrate you today. Ayan. Let's do a time check. It's 11:30 in the morning. At nandito pa rin po kayo sa inyong paboritong programa tuwing linggo. Winner ka Pinoy sa DZXL 558 Manila. At kasama niyo pa rin po ako, ang inyong lingkod, Chris Lorenzana. And before I play for you a beautiful song, let me just greet yung mga nandito sa ating Facebook live stream. Hello, Mr. Benji Marinas. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. At Happy Mother's Day to your wife as well, Benj. Hello, Mr. Ronald Vipinosa. Hi. Thank you for the heart. I sent you a heart back. To Mr. Ronald Tumbaga, na lagi po talaga namang nakikinig sa ating programa. Let me read your message, Mr. Ronald Tumbaga. Si Inay at akong, akong panganay ba? Yun po ba? Si inay at akong panganay. Sorry po, minsan ang aking pronunciation ay hindi maayos. Sa bawat iyak ko mula iyong isilang, ikaw, inay, di masukat ang ibinubo mong pagmamahal. Init mong yakap sa mga araw na lumalakad ay mas matimyas habang ako'y bumibikas. Maragsang pangaral mo'y mutyang panuplina. Sa tuktok pang malambot, tumubos ng dangal ng pilyong panganay. Sorry, hirap po. Nang iluwal mo si Bunso, ako'y nagpupuyos. Sa panudyo mo, kitang-kita ko, sumisipat ang luha, sa mata mo ay nagtalakop. Thank you so much, Mr. Ronald Tumbaga. Is this your original poem for your mother? Ayan, this is, hindi ko pasyadong maintindihan, pero salamat po sa napakagandang message nyo. Ayan, ang message niya ay Happy Mother's Day sa aking nanay na nasa California, USA, kasama ng 2 sisters ko at kanilang mga pamilya. Nice. Thank you so much for that, Mr. Ronald Tumbaga. Alright, there's a message here from Ray Joseph Galang. Being a mother is the most important job. Indeed. Indeed. Ayan. And so, let me check my, wow, how nice. There are messages here on my phone already. Tita Vicky Clemena, sabi niya, binabati ko ang lahat ng ina sa buong mundo. Happy Mother's Day. Take care and God bless always. Thank you so much, Tita Vicky. Happy Mother's Day to you. And to from Miss Jo Aloresissimo, being a mommy is a long-term duty. All work, no pay, no day off, and no retirement. But then again, I thank God for giving me the opportunity to be a mommy. Cheers to you and the moms out there. Indeed, indeed. Wala pong sweldo ang pagiging mama or nanay, ano po? Pero ang pinakamahalaga, hindi nga siya sweldo sulit na yung mahalin tayo ng ating mga anak. Sulit na yon. Burado na lahat ang hirap pag ganon. Ayan. And, thank you so much. Oh, there's a message from Tita Karina. Nothing brightens a life and lightens a heart like a mother's love. Happy Mother's Day, Chris, from Tita Karina. Thank you so much, Tita Karina. Happy Mother's Day to you. At maraming salamat po sa pagtawag sa akin right after our program last Sunday. Para sabihin, hindi niya i-message lang yung kanyang mensahe for Winner Ka Pinoy's 11th anniversary. Tinawagan niya talaga ako para sabihin yung kanyang 11th anniversary message na hindi ko po natanggap talaga, tita, sa aking number. Ayan. Now, there's a message here from Daffy Paracueles. Superhero ko ang aking nanay dahil ang aking ina ay ang isa sa pinakamalakas, pinakamatapang at pinakamabait na tao na nagbigay galang sa mundong ito. Kung wala siya, wala ako ngayon, hindi ako magiging tulad ko at wala akong buhay na mayroon ako. Siya ang lahat sa akin at higit pa. At walang paraan na masusukat ko ang kahalagahan na taglay niya sa buhay ko. This is beautiful from Daffy Paracueles. You also get a 100 pesos GCash for paying tribute to your mother. Ayan. So, thank you. Thank you for that. Alright. And there's a message here from Ray Joseph Galang. Happy Mother's Day sa aking ina in heaven. Wish you were here to celebrate Mother's Day. And happy Mother's Day also to my second mother, Aida Lorenzana. A million thanks to you, Mother. And happy Mother's Day to my cousin, Cherise Lorenzana. And my sister, Ira Love de la Cruz, especially to you, Miss Chris. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much, Ray Joe. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, talaga naman. Send me your tributes to your mother. Ayan ha, yung inyong galing sa puso na tribute talaga. Something you created yourself. Alright? Mas maganda yung galing sa inyong puso talaga. Let me see. Okay. There is a message here from Hil Ablaza. Salamat, inay, sa taglay kong buhay. Kahit marami akong tampo at hinanakit dahil sa akin napasa ang mga gawaing panlalaki dahil 19 pa lang nag-asawa na si kuya. Nagsasalok ng tubig, nagsisibak ng kahoy, errand boy at iba pa. Lahat ng pinagdaanan made me strong. This is beautiful. Hil Ablaza, this is, sayang di mo pinangalanan ng mama mo. But thank you for your tribute to your mom, ha? You also get a 100 pesos GCash from Winner Ka Pinoy and Dr. Etchel Villanueva and Tito Danny Villanueva. There we go. Let me see if there's another message here. This is from Celestine Canton ng Tondo, Manila. Happy Mother's Day po. Superhero ang mother ko dahil siya ang nagbigay buhay sa akin. Lahat gagawin ko para mapasaya ko siya. Hey, thank you so much, Celestine. You get the fourth 100 pesos GCash from Winner Ka Pinoy. Send me later on your GCash number. Alright, ako parang first come first serve po ito. Yung mga nanalo na po last week, hindi ko na po kayo pipiliin ha, para we give chance to others naman. Ayan. Alright, pabati po kay Tia Vicenta Legaspi from Cristimar, Antipolo City. Everyday po siyang nakikinig, hoping mabati po. Yes. Hello po, Tia Vicenta Legaspi. Happy Mother's Day po sa inyo at salamat po sa pakikinig sa DZXL 558. Ayan. And, alright. Jimmy Dumduman, napadala ko na last Sunday yung iyong GCash. Pa-check na lang, ha? Lahat ng pinangakuan ko ng GCash last Sunday, napadala ko na. So, paki-check na lang yung inyong GCash. There we go. And thank you for your reminder. Yeah. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng nanay, lalo na sa nanay ko na si Adalina Dumduman from Jimmy Dumduman ng Naik, Cavite. There we go. Ang bilis po talaga ng oras. So this is a tribute episode, a tribute to a mother. Lahat-lahat po kayo na mga ina o tumatayong ina, really, we celebrate you today. You are our superhero. Meron na lang tayong iisang premyo at mamaya po pipili tayo ng isa pa before we close our program. So, sabi nga ni William Makepeace Thackeray, Mother is the name of God in the lips and hearts of little children. Totoo po yan, diba? Totoo po yan. There's this beautiful quote before na nabasa ko na parang sinabi na God cannot be anywhere and everywhere. Cannot be everywhere. Yun pala yung tamang word. God cannot be everywhere. That's why He created mothers. Napakaganda po talaga. Ano po. Kaya tayo mga ina, tayo yung unang experience ng ating mga anak ng pagmamahal ng Diyos natin. So that is why wala nang hihigit pa talaga sa role na ginagampanan ng isang ina. And so before I play for you this very beautiful song, I'd like to quote my favorite author and poet, si Rumi. Sabi niya, we are born of love. Love is our mother. Totoo po yan, di po ba mga kaibigan? At dahil ipinangako ko po last week, isa sa mga favorite ko na tagapakinig ng Winner Ka Pinoy ay si Sir Yol Fandinho. Hinanap ko po talaga yung poem niya na binigay niya sa akin noong nagsisimula pa lang halos ang Winner Ka Pinoy po. So let me look for that poem para mabasa ko po sa inyo ngayon dahil ipinangako ko. Proud na proud po talaga ako doon sa poem na ibinigay niya sa akin. He gave it to me in August of 2015. Actually, he wrote this on August 30, 2015. And I think nagkita kami sa station, sa DZXL 558, sa original station natin sa Guadalupe, nung ibinigay niya sa akin to. So, Sir Yol, thank you so much again for this poem. I'm going to read it, although nahihiya ako because feeling ko parang am I really deserving of all these words. But I'd like to greet your mother, a happy Mother's Day po, and your wife as well. So let me read to you the poem composed by Mr. Yol Fandinho of Santa Mesa, Manila, an admirer of Chris Lorenzana, host of DZXL's Winner Ka Pinoy. This is you, Chris. Yun yung title ng poem. If there is a woman who is full of virtues and wisdom, this is you, Chris. Thank you po so much. If there's a woman who inspires and motivates everyone with her messages, spiritual or humanly, this is you, Chris. If there's a woman who touches your heart every time she imparts her thoughts in just anything of human value, this is you, Chris. And if there's a woman who is very motherly and caressingly treats her fellow mortals, this is you, Chris Lorenzana. I'm always so touched and honored. Thank you so much, Sir Yol Fandinho, for this beautiful poem. na nakasave po talaga sa telepono ko, nakatago sa filing cabinet ko. I really am so grateful for your beautiful message. Yan. So, I hope that God will continue to bless you. And so that you are able to inspire more people, Sir Yol. Ayan. And so, mamaya-maya lamang po ay magpapatugtog na tayo ng isang napakagandang kanta. But there is this nice quote by si Leonardo DiCaprio ang nagsabi. Sabi niya, "My mother is a walking miracle." Do you agree, dear friends? My mother is a walking miracle. Ganda ng pagkakasabi niya. Totoo naman, walking miracle yung mga nanay natin. Now, for example, pag may sakit tayo, di ba? So kahit na siguro may sakit pa yung nanay natin, uunahin talaga tayo. And I felt that also with my son. Na kahit ang laki-laki niya na pag nisisponge mo siya, nisisponge mo, di ka pa tutulog, i-monitor mo yung lagnat niya, ganyan. Talagang, our mothers are walking miracles. At minsan po, kahit wala tayong sinasabi, alam ng nanay natin pag may bumabagabag sa atin. Just if meron silang telepathy, no? Meron silang ESP. Parang alam nila pag may dinaramdam tayo, pag hindi tayo okay. So our mothers are really our superheroes. So I'll play for you this very beautiful song na para ulit sa mamang ko to. Actually, nung nag-aral ako sa SLU, taga Mindanao po kami, South Cotabato, Region 11 to Region 1 in Baguio. So bakit ko naman kasi doon nga pinili mag-aral, no? So anyway, ganun po talaga siguro dahil nangarap ako and my mother supported me. So nung bago ako umalis, papuntang Baguio, sinulatan ko siya. Tapos, itong kanta na to, kasama to sa sulat ko sa mamang ko. And kayo dyan na mga anak, I hope that, you'll always appreciate the wonder that is your mother. So this very beautiful song, The Wonder of You by Elvis Presley, mamamute po ito sa inyong Facebook or YouTube live stream, but I'll sing a paragraph, 2 paragraphs of it, para lang ma-understand, maintindihan nyo na why is this such a beautiful song for our mothers. So this is for you, Mamang. When no one else can understand me, when everything I do is wrong, you give me hope and consolation. You give me strength to carry on. And you're always there to lend a hand in everything I do. That's the wonder of you. Enjoy this very beautiful song for you, beautiful mother, The Wonder of You by Elvis Presley.
When no one else can understand me, when everything I do is wrong, you give me love and consolation. You give me hope to carry on, and you're always there to lend a hand in everything I do. That's the wonder of you. And when you smile, the world is brighter. You touch my hand and I'm a king. Oh, your love to me is worth a fortune. Your love for me is everything. I guess I'll never know the reason why you love me as you do. That's the wonder of you. Waiting.
The Wonder of You by Elvis Presley is really my favorite song for my mother. Alam nyo, napakaganda po talaga ng experience, no, ng pagmamahal ng nanay talaga. Hindi, siguro na marami pang kantang mas magaganda pa dyan, but really, Mamang, if you're listening, you know, when you smile, the world is brighter. Tuod, ginamang ba? Kapag nagayuhom ka, the world is brighter. Mapakadlaw ka lang namon, happy na kami. So really, your love for us is really everything. At dahil napakabilis po talaga ng oras, let me check if there are other messages here, tributes to their moms. Original na poem yun ni Mr. Ronald Tumbaga. Wow, sobrang ganda po. Thank you. Hindi ko na po kayo bibigyan ng premyo ha, kasi lagi na po kayong nananalo. Hindi nyo naman po siguro masyadong kailangan yung premyo natin, but we acknowledge you. There's a message here from Charis Lorenzana, my sister. Happy Mother's Day, my darling sister. Sabi niya, Happy Mother's Day, Mamang Aida Lorenzana. I'm the luckiest because we have you, Mamang. From Jude Hernandez, declaring double portion of strength, wisdom, patience, and love as you raise up your child. Happy Mother's Day. And there's a message here from my cousin, Ira Love de la Cruz. Happy Mother's Day, Ate Chris Lorenzana, Ate Charis. Thank you for loving Kambal and Matmat like your own children. Sending loving from Mimi, Tintin, and Matmat. Happy Mother's Day, Mother Aida Galang Lorenzana. Bida ka mga. Thank you for being my light and source of strength. I love you so much, Mother. Happy Mother's Day, Mamang Bebeth in heaven. You are always loved and remembered. Hey. Happy Mother's Day to Lovey, and thank you for being there for Mamang for us. Ayan. Did I miss anything? Let me see. Okay, did I miss anything? Wow. Timang, namigid ang pungko mo sa terrace mo ba? I see you. Homesick na naman kami sine. Na-homesick na naman kami. Nalagid ako matapos. Magkaon na kamo dayon, ha? Ayan. Okay, dali lang gid. Hi, Mamang. Te, nag-enjoy ka man mang sa Wonder of You ni Elvis Presley. There's a message here from... nabasa ko na pala to kanina. Salamat, Ma'am Chris Lorenzana po. Ano to? Okay, yes. Pinapadala nyo pala yung inyong GCash number. Okay, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Dali lang po, Let me see. There's another message before we end our program. Baka po, meron na naman akong hindi nakita. Okay, sana lang nasilip sa aking cellphone number. Alright, let me see. Okay. Alright. Okay. Pasensya na po, ang hirap talaga ng pagsabay-sabayin minsan i-check. Alam niyo po yon, yung titingin ako sa cellphone ko, sa messenger and also pagpasensyahan niyo po kung may konting dead air talaga ako minsan. There's a last message here from Miss Ermi Clemente. Happy Mother's Day po, Nanay. My first teacher, a great friend, a simple wife, and we are very thankful for blessing us a superwoman like you. We love you so much and God bless you. For my Nanay Belen, we love you. Hey, Ermi! You are the last recipient, my dear, ng ating premyo today na 100 pesos GCash. Send me your GCash number, ha? Ayan, so mga kaibigan, malapit na naman po maubos at matapos ang ating programa, maubos ang ating oras, pero... Tribute to our mother, especially sa aming mamang na si Mrs. Aida Lorenzana, na talaga naman bang idol. Hindi ko gid mabalaan kung how to be a strong a mother like you. I don't think I could ever be as strong as you, Mang ba? Pero all we could do is appreciate you for what you did for us. Sabi ni Eric Fromm, mother's love is peace. It need not be acquired. It need not be deserved. Hindi natin kailangang hilingin sa mga nanay natin na please, mahalin mo naman kami. It need not be acquired. It need not be deserved. Need not be deserved. And so, remember, when you look at your mother, you are looking at pure love. Wala na talagang iba pang. Kaya kahit na nagagalit yung mga nanay natin, yung galit nila, nababalot pa rin ng pagmamahal yun, di ba, mga kaibigan? Alright, and this is beautiful. Hindi pwede na hindi ko to mabanggit. A mother's love is everything. That's why we're paying tribute to you mothers today. although every day can be Mother's Day. A mother's love is everything. It is what brings a child into this world. It is what molds their entire being. When a mother sees her child in danger, she is literally capable of anything. Mothers have lifted cars off of their children and destroyed entire dynasties. A mother's love is the strongest energy known to man. Totoo yan. Parang nagkakaroon ka talaga ng superpower kapag nanay ka. Yung tuloy-tuloy kang hindi natutulog minsan, diba? Yung, di ba sakripisyo mo sa mga bata pa kami, grabe. Diba? Parang, wow, superpower. Kaya hindi namon balaan kung paano namon maibulik ang tanan nga pagpalangga mo sa amon gid. So that's why motherhood is really a superpower at the end of the day. At napakabilis po ng oras. Titignan ko na po ulit huli yung mga messages natin para wala akong ma-miss out. And sana ay wala nga akong na-miss out sa messages natin. There's a message from Evelyn Nepomuceno. Good morning and happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. Thank you so much, Evelyn. Thank you so much. And congratulations to our winners today of our 100 pesos GCash. Jerry, Daffy, Hill, Celestine, and Ermi. Send me your GCash numbers, ha? Or kung load ang gusto nyo, sabihin nyo kung anong carrier para maipadala ko sa inyo within this afternoon. And let me just check one final time our winner Kapinoy number. Ayan. Alright. Pahabol from Tita Karina. A garden of love blooms in a mother's heart. Happy Mother's Day. Beautiful. Beautiful, Tita Karina. God couldn't be everywhere. Sabi ni Rudyard Kipling. God could not be everywhere. And therefore, He made mothers. And so today, we pay tribute to a mother. Pwedeng ikaw ang nagsilang sa anak mo, or pwedeng ikaw yung lola na nag-alaga doon sa anak ng anak mo at tumayong ina ng apo mo. Pwedeng ikaw ay auntie, pwedeng ikaw ay uncle, pwedeng ikaw ay lolo. Diba? Pwedeng kahit sino ka man, tumayo kang nanay, itong episode na ito ay para sa'yo. And we honor you. We honor you. We, your children, honor you. At sana ay wag mong kakalimutan na napakahalaga. In fact, pinakamahalaga yung role mo as a mother. Sabi nga, 'di ba? Who rocks the cradle, rocks the world. Hindi ko lang alam kung sino nagsabi niyan. Pero parang yung nagduduyan ng isang bata, idinuduyan niya ang buong daigdig talaga. And so, as we close our program, again, happy Mother's Day sa inyong lahat. Mamang, we love you so much. And enjoy this very beautiful song, Winner Ka Pinoy. Hindi na po ito mamumute. Composed and sang for us by Mr. Ariel Misiano.
Totoo ba ang puna nila sa atin? Tayo raw mga Pinoy, walang mararating. Ito'y isang hamon na dapat pansinin, na di tayo mangmang, tayo'y may talino rin. Mahuna tayo sa bawat larangan. Bawat Pinoy may galing, may kakayahan. Kaya ngang lutasin lahat ng mga hadlang. Tayo'y magkaisa, tayo'y magtulungan. Winner ka Pinoy, winner ka Pinoy, winner ka Pinoy, winner ka Pinoy. Gumagaan lahat ng mga problema. Kami naririto, kayo'y may kasama. Halina't bumangon, tayo ay kumilos na. Naghihintay sa atin ang bagong umaga. Winner ka Pinoy, winner ka Pinoy, winner ka Pinoy, winner ka Pinoy. Manguna tayo sa bawat larangan. Bawat Pinoy may galing, may kakayahan. Kaya ngang lutasin lahat ng mga hadlang. Tayo'y magkaisa, tayo'y magtulungan. Winner ka Pinoy, 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 winner ka Pinoy.
Winner ka, Pinoy! Thank you so much, Mr. Ariel Misiano, and a happy Mother's Day to Mrs. Misiano. Winner ka, Pinoy. You know, there is no way to be a perfect mother. Hindi naman po talaga natin kakayaning maging perfect na ina. But there are countless ways, maybe millions of ways to be a good one. Yun lang naman ang gusto natin, di ba? To be the face of love to our children. And so, salamat mga kaibigan sa pagsama ninyo sa akin ng isang buong oras in honoring our mothers, paying tribute to our mothers. Sikapin nating maging isang tunay na Pilipino sa isip, sa salita, at sa gawa. At huwag mong kakalimutan, kaibigan, ha? Winner ka. Winner ka, Pinoy.
Sumainyo ang isa na namang makabuluhang palatuntunan sa radyo. Winner ka, Pinoy! Muling umantabay sa parehong oras, alas 11 ng umaga hanggang alas 12 ng tanghali. Dito lamang sa DZXL 558. Winner ka, Pinoy!